There are many things which I'm not exactly proud of my country, but this video is certainly not about any of them. Even after so many years spent abroad, I can still say that Romania is home. And not just for me, but for you too, the adventure rider ready to leave the asphalt behind to feel something different. Romania is thrilled with its long, rocky hill climbs and deep, muddy ruts. We have it all here. Romania is friendly with shepherds and their dragon dogs on every mountain peak your eyes can find. Romania is courage for every single soul who thinks taking a 200-kilogram beast into a forest is a good idea. My home country is wild, is laughter, is friendship, and is underestimated. Is welcoming, untamed, fearless, and breathtaking. I think Romania is beautiful, and beautiful is Romania.
So we are in Cluj, guys. Look at this, almost 10 riders, and there is an off-road tour that we're planning to start right now. All types of bikes from all corners of Romania, and here we go. Yeah, boys. Oh, and straight to the forest. Man, what? It's literally an off-road track so close to Cluj, to the town center. Oh, a bit of mud. Name a problem. I think I also have the most aggressive tires out of all the guys. Hey! How did they find this road? Yo!
As far as I understood from our guides, this first part of the tracks was made in such a way that they will be able to check the rhythm or the level of each rider. And the final test came with this steep hill climb, which, trust me, it looks way more terrifying in reality than on the GoPro.
It's nice. They, gas. Ha! Gas. Cino, kurka. Woo! Go. And the tiger. Woo! Hai, tupeu. We're again on some fast flowy roads where you can go as fast as you want. Has been some very nice tracks until now. Oh man, they destroyed this road with the deforestation. It's literally destroyed. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! It was a tiny bit deeper than I had expected. O viața, YOLO! Look at this, guys. Where are we? This is very cool. Amazing tracks. Hey! Oh, a bit of mud in here? Is that what I see? I like to. Oh my god! That
You see me here hesitating so much because I was almost certain that I will find a swampy area and I will get stuck right there. And it wouldn't even be the first time this would happen.
Ow! This could be fun or absolutely terrible. Oh no! Ce faci? Ce faci?
Poză.
Acum partea cealaltă?
Opa. Încolo nu mai vreau să curg.
Și acum să fac o glumă să dau asta înapoi. Ce s-a întâmplat aici?
E un copac.
Eu am venit să filmez, n-am venit să te ajut. În față sau în spate? Hai, că a trecut. Opa! Opa! S-a strâmbat? S-a strâmbat, da. Stai că pică. Vezi că nu este foarte bine. Da? Vrei să-i mai dai o dată? Că țin eu contra. Gata? So I guess this is gonna be our lunch place. Whoa, this is so cute!
We had lunch by this stream with ASMR noises, and afterwards we continued the road with full bellies. During the lunch I discussed with one of the riders to exchange bikes, as I wanted to test for the first time a Triumph Tiger, and I think he was also curious about my Tenere. So, as you can see here, we made the swap.
Wow! Hey! Ce mare e! Wow! Okay, Triumph Tiger, 3-cylinder, pur. Oh, the standing position is not that bad, and also the suspension feels good. Actually, feels very nice. This actually sounds great. I kind of like it. It's not really my style, but it has accurate suspension. I did not expect to be that comfortable. It has this huge tank here, and it's a bit difficult for me to switch gears or to brake with the rear. But once you find them, I guess you get used to it. Yeah, they are fine. Or you can change them, doesn't matter. The front fork feels a bit, just a tiny bit weird, like a bit clunky. But it's actually good. Oh yeah, first time testing a Triumph Tiger, and it's off-road. I would not expect this. Oh man, but the sound is and sometimes does like very small pops at the end. Poke poke poke. Boom. Poke poke poke. Boom. Poke poke poke. Oh man, it's amazing. Nice, nice. Very smooth bike. Bă, faină jucărie. M-am distrat. Back on my beautiful bike with huge lack of power. Man, coming from the Triumph Tiger, this feels like a scooter, a moped. But it's my bike, and it is what it is. Cuța! Smăcâți! Ușor? Hai! Oh, no, no, no! Oprește, oprește, stai! Eu nu mai pot să mișc piciorul. Some water on the... She was the bravest one, right? I was also wanted to try, but I thought, okay, I thought about that moment when I fell in France and I made the submarine, and I didn't want to do that again. But very brave. I like this. There is still water, a lot of water coming out. Hey, look at this. Whoa! Crazy. Bă, n-am văzut niciodată, foarte tare.
Boi.
Foarte fain. Carul cu boi. To be honest, I'm quite happy that we have technical stuff. Stuff that might be difficult for some people. Ai luat o VSP sau ce? Te-a înțepat? Te-a înțepat? Ok. Fuck. Hai, dacă poți, dă-i. Poți pe lângă? Hai, hai, hai. Hai că te țin și eu. Ușor, ușor. Așa. Hai, hai. Bine.
Păi stai așa.
Nu, nu ai cum să o ridici. Deci, efectiv, tragem un pic roata față. Puțin. Nu?
Am vrut să zic că am crezut că mai izboi, sincer. Am crezut că tu te-ai dus departe, dar ți-am crezut motorul.
Nu, da.
E strict să fii înapoi.
Fii atent, hai să ridicăm.
Eu eram în viteză. Ah, mi s-a dus cricul, cred. Da, fă stânga-dreapta de ghidon și el. Ioi!